Alright, so here I am coming into Houston, Alabama. You know, I guess it could be considered a town, but it's probably not. I think it's just unincorporated Winston County now. And there's the Baptist church on the left, Methodist church on the right, building supply store, and then Chef Troy's Talk of the Town right there on the right, post office on the left, right next to the jail. I'm not sure why I moved my camera down, but there's the jail. And I'm going to go up here and turn around and go back and take a look at it. So this is the oldest log built jail still surviving in the state of Alabama. It's the Houston County Jail, and it is a historic place. It was built around 1868 is when they believe that it was built. There's no official records, but that's their best guess. And it Houston used to be the seat of Winston County, but it got moved to Double Springs. And over here there are a few busts of, I guess, some important people that had something to do with this jail. This is Uncle Dick. He was part of the Looney's Tavern Revolt, or the push towards Winston County actually seceding from the South. So then this is Willis Ferris. He was the first sheriff of the former Hancock, now Winston County. And over here is John Anthony Winston, where Winston County gets its name. He was a former governor of Alabama. Here's a look at all of the busts. And Uncle Dick, there you go. Let's take a look inside. And there's really not a whole lot to it. Two very basic rooms. I'm assuming this is where the jailer, sheriff would be. And then this would be the jail cell. A small door. And look at all the nails stuck to the walls. I can only assume that this is likely the outhouse, or the way that they would go to the bathroom without having to leave the jail cell. And all of the nails driven into the side of this wall. I actually had to duck to get out of the doorway. A little sign in. There are some artifacts at the post office, which is closed today because it's Sunday. But it's amazing to think that this basic wooden structure has survived for over 150 years. And if you want to pause there, there's a little bit of history about Houston, as it was the county seat of Winston at one time. There's not much left here. A couple of churches, hardware store, and Chef Troy's Talk of the Town, which is a pretty good restaurant. I went in and ordered a cheeseburger, and it was pretty good. Come check it out if you're in the Smith Lake area.